Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute and delicate earrings made from cotton thread. And if you want a free written pattern of this beautiful earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. If you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So these are the earrings that we are going to make. I'm using size 8 cotton crochet thread. I bought these thread from Amazon. So it's very good for making these earrings, and you can see it's wobbly. We'll stiffen it up later, and I'm going to use 1.25 millimeter crochet hook, and we'll need scissors, and at the end we will need some white glue, water, and earring hooks or fish hooks. So for round 1 I'm going to make a magic ring, and then I will work a chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and then on the magic ring I'm going to work 13 more double crochets. So altogether we're going to have 14 double crochets on the magic ring. So go ahead, work 13 more double crochets on the magic ring. So with the chain 3 we will have 14 double crochets at the end of this round. So complete working 13 double crochets on the magic ring. I'll meet you once you complete it. So once you have worked 13 more double crochets, you can stop, tighten the magic ring, and we'll work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 1. So as I told you earlier, at the end of round 1 we'll have 14 double crochets. We are considering our chain 3 as well as our double crochets, and then you can tighten the magic ring even more and secure it with a knot, and then we'll proceed with round 2. So round 2 is a little bit tricky. You're going to consume 2 stitches for it. Let's see how to do it. So for round 2 I'm going to work a chain 2 on the same stitch, and then I will work a double crochet together on the next stitch. So pick up the next stitch and work double crochet together. So this is considered as our first double crochet 2 together. So the idea is to work double crochet 2 together in the current stitch and the next stitch, and and then you work a chain 2, and then for the next double crochet 2 together we'll work in the current stitch and the next stitch. Usually we'll work double crochet 2 together in every 2 stitches, but in this case we are using the current stitch and the next stitch, and then once you have worked your double crochet 2 together you will work a chain 2, and once again work a double crochet 2 together on the current stitch as well as the next stitch, and once that is completed work a chain 2. So follow this and work double crochet 2 together in the current stitch and the next stitch, followed by a chain 2. So go ahead, work this way. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So once this round is complete, we'll work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 double crochet together. So after you have worked your last double crochet 2 together, work a chain 2 and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting, chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 2. And before proceeding with round 3, we're going to work a slip stitch on the next chain 2 space. So work a slip stitch on the next chain 2 space, and then we'll proceed working chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and then go ahead, work 2 more double crochets on the same chain 2 space, and then work a chain 1, and then work 3 double crochets on the next chain 2 space, and once that is done, work a chain 1. So work 3 double crochets on every chain 2 space followed by a chain 1. So continue working this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So after you have worked your last 3 double crochets followed by a chain 1, work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 3. So with this, our round 3 is complete. Now let's start working round 4. For round 4, I'm going to work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and then I'm going to go ahead work 1 half double crochet on the same stitch, and in the next stitch I'm going to work 1 double crochet, and then I'm going to work 1 picot stitch. Picot stitch is nothing but chain 3, and then we'll work a slip stitch on top of the starting chain, which is chain 1, and then I'm going to work 1 more double crochet on the same stitch, and on the next stitch I'm going to work 1 half double crochet stitch, and in the chain 1 space I'm going to work a single crochet stitch. So we are going to create little spikes here, and now on the chain 1 space I'm going to work a single crochet stitch, and then we are going to repeat this pattern around. On the next stitch I will work 1 half double crochet stitch, and on the next stitch I'm going to work 1 double crochet, picot, 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch I will work 1 half double crochet stitch. So picot, we are working a picot here, and then I'm going to work 1 more double crochet on the same stitch, and in the next stitch I'm going to work 1 half double crochet stitch, and in the chain 1 space I'm going to work 1 single crochet. So go ahead, work 1 half double crochet, and then in the next stitch work a double crochet, picot, double crochet, double crochet, picot, double crochet, and in the next stitch work 1 half double crochet. So I've worked a picot, next 1 more double crochet on the same stitch, and in the next stitch work 1 half double crochet, and in the chain 1 space work a single crochet. So we have created 3 specks, and we are going to follow this pattern around. So we are creating 1 spike per the 3 double crochet group that we have worked on the round 3. So continue working this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So now I have worked my last spike, and then I will work one single crochet on the chain one space, and then I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting half double crochet stitch. So that's it, our earring is done. I'm going to fasten off and I'm going to weave the ends. So as you can see, the earring that we just made is very wobbly. It's not stiff. We cannot use it as is. We are going to need to stiffen this up using one part of white glue and one part of water. Mix them up together and then soak this work on it, and then we're going to air dry it for about a day, and it should stiffen up once we have done that. Now our work is nicely stiffened up. Now you can find how to stiffen this earring in one of the earring tutorial video that I have posted earlier. I will update the link of that tutorial in the description. You can see how we are going to block this up. And once the earring is blocked and nice and stiff, we can attach the earring hooks to it. These are also called as fish hooks. You can attach these hooks to any of the picot stitches that we have worked on our round 4. So this will give a nice dangle for it, and that's it. Our earring is done. It's such a simple and easy pattern and perfect for summer. So try this earring pattern. So we are done attaching the hooks to all these earrings. I have worked in many shades of yellow because the pattern looks like sun. So I hope you enjoyed working this earring pattern with me. So I would like to see all your works. You can tag me on my Instagram account, and if you want a free written pattern of these earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. So as I told you earlier, if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.